Pyramid Lane from Malaysia produce office furnishings and kitchens for the Asian market. The company's monthly capacity is 2,000 cabinets, 5,000 tabletops and up to 800 drawers. The company employs 25 people in production.
Pyramid Lane production line is capable in doing serial production and also batch size 1 production. We see plenty of potential in the business, so that we think that there is still a room for the business to grow. And in terms of the demand of the furniture, people are expecting higher and higher quality at the moment. So therefore, we are willing to invest into more quality control, more precision machines in order to produce and supply and demand from the customers.
Pyramid Lane works with a plain storage system in combination with a panel dividing saw and an edge banding machine with parts return. The plain storage system is the perfect addition to the panel dividing saw, offering plenty of scope to be combined with processing machines. The panel saw is one of Pyramid Lane's first investments, but it was very simple to integrate. A simple software update makes it possible. The storage system now has a software connection so that it can also be controlled from the saw. The panels are provided via a roller conveyor from the storage system. Even saws from other manufacturers can be integrated into the production process.
After the investment that we have committed, and then we find that after doing some serious calculation and stuff, we find that we have actually increased 40% of our productivity. In terms of number of employees, after investing onto the TLF and the TFU, we find that we can reduce about 60% of the manpower in terms of the operational and downtime and all the mobilization costs. With the extra employees that we have, which is not needed now with the new investment, we actually transfer them into other departments to fully utilize them. From the beginning, I was a bit skeptical about investing into a machine like this, whereas it's only the first one in the country, and I'm worried about the backup services and things like that. But after a while, running with the machine for about 4 months now, I have got no regrets.
The edge banding machine has customized equipment. It provides the best edging quality for any edging material. LaserTec makes it possible.
Pyramid Lane started off doing business on its own in the year 1997, which I first started to build the company, and then we started with the first set of machineries are also from the HOMAG group. Okay, and why do we use HOMAG machines from the beginning until today is simply because they have the reliability and the commitment from our supplier.
Wir haben natürlich den großen Vorteil, dass wir in allen...
Of course, we have the advantage that we are represented in all Asian countries, meaning we can react immediately to problems which might occur on machines, because we have a local service technician in every country, and of course sales staff who can provide the necessary advice and support.
My experience with the HOMAG machines is simply we get the fullest commitment and the fullest support from our local dealer and agents. For all the problems that we have encountered, they have given us a great support. And in terms of the machine itself, it's given us the reliability in terms of quality.
Pyramid Lane put their trust in HOMAG machines, like many other customers worldwide.